Hi guys, today we are going to paint the Cervini's ragtop hood, I think is the name. Okay, join me. Okay, so the car looks like this right now. What do you think about the 20s? This is how the car looks now. I like it. I like the fitment. I like how the car looks right now. Well, let's go and start to paint. We are going to use black paint, blue tape, and some plastic bags. Well guys, this is the end product. So black. So let's see how I did. Remember to take the tape carefully so you don't bring the paint. I pulled some paint out and I needed to redo everything again, but that's the way you learn sometimes. So let's keep on doing it. Speedster cover. I had some paint outside the line I like. I just used the cloth and some cleaner. I think it was a wrist cleaner or something like that. Well, okay, let's keep on doing it. Cleaning and trying to fix everything. Okay, this is the end product. This part is black because I didn't want the red to... I didn't want the look that the car had, because you could see the red between the seats, and now it's all black. I like that. It's not 100% finished. I didn't do a really great job, but it's getting there. I'm going to do good things to this car, as I can tell you right now. And on the engine I'm going to change some things, and I'm going to use a Kenny bell, old school Kenny bell. And on the inside I'm going to tidy up some things, use a different steering wheel. And on suspension I really have something coming soon. It's going to be a good video, that one. Well, I don't want to talk too much now. I don't want to bother you with more chit chats. Yeah, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for the notifications, please. I will upload more things. I have an Instagram page. I will leave the link there and on the description of the video. Thanks, and enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.